Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. This week's video is super exciting because I'm finally trying out the Ohuhu alcohol markers. So I've always used Copics or Prismacolors and a few cheaper alternatives in between like Michael's brand or Hobby Lobby brand, but I've always heard really great things about Ohuhu and I've always wanted to try them. So this set specifically is from Amazon. It's the 24 skin tone set in the Honolulu style. So it has the brush and chisel tips. I usually prefer having a chisel because I often have to cover bigger spaces and don't want to ruin the brush tip doing it. So this set has a great range of colors including browns, yellows, pinks, and beiges. They don't bleed out with a lot of ink, which is great for me because I layer a lot with the markers, especially when I'm drawing animals, so that's a huge plus for me. Another fun thing is even if the brush tip gets frayed, like I use my brush tip all the time, so mine will get frayed a lot, they're actually double-sided, so you get two nibs in one, you just have to flip it over, and they also have replacements available on their website and stuff. What's always sold me on Copic markers is that they're refillable, and now Ohuhu is also offering refills for some of their markers, and so that's like a big thing for me, especially because I use so much ink, and it just increases their longevity and overall makes it a really smart purchase. They're a great alternative for Copics, and overall I'm super happy with the results of them, and now I do use them alongside my Copics to create all of my marker pieces. I use them together, and so they blend well with other markers as well. I decided to go with a buck to test some of the colors out in my sketchbook because I knew I would use a lot of browns between the body and the antlers, and overall it was just a super fun little test piece, kind of just messing around with them, trying some different techniques. I will be including a link to this specific skin tone set on Amazon, but I'll also be including a referral code so you get 10% off your order on Ohuhu's official website, so be sure to check those out. I'll be leaving them in the description and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this little unboxing and seeing me use these markers for the first time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you know when my next video goes up. I'll see you next time.